With the hectic pace of life today, it's difficult to find balance between all three aspects: work, family, and personal time. But did you know that it might just be in your head? If so, then there is some good news for people with insomnia who have been suffering from lack of sleep, as they've tried different solutions without much success until now. Ecocell has invented an oral spray called An-minlo that will help you with better sleep. The raw materials for our products come from F2F Phytoponics, a company that specializes in growing produce and herbs on an ecological vertical farming system. Instead of fighting against your body's natural rhythms, An-minlo can help you get a better night's sleep by sending messages directly into our brains telling us when it is time for bed. The An-minlo treatment is a 2-day process that allows enough changes to occur and get rid of insomnia. Furthermore, it's melatonin-free, which means there are no side effects. Ecocell, the healing power of ecological farming.